ನಾವು ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ hello everyone, I'll be speaking about my routine which I used to do during the lockdown and usually every day. So I wake up at 6 AM in the morning every day. And then and then I'll go for jogging.
Big joke.
ಈ ಕಿವಿಲಿ ಗುಗ್ಗೆ ಪಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳು.
Then I have a habit of making a bed coffee to everyone at the home.
ದೇವ್ರು ನಿಂಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡ್ತದ.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಸಿರಿ, ಸುಳ್ಳು ಈ ತರ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ? ಯಪ್ಪ.
And then I'll take a fresh shower. Then I'll come again and cook for everyone.
ಇದಪ್ಪ ಮಾತು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಹೇಳು
ಏನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು?
After
eating everything, I used to clean the house and then
No comments.
again go to room.
I used to clean the house and wash the vessels and then go to sleep for an hour because
Again getting up in the afternoon, again eating, again sleeping.
because
in the evening,
good sleep is also very important.
but not day sleep, you know. Night sleep is good.
And then I used to cook.
We had only 3 in the house, me, my mother and my daughter. Right? Wrong. Right? Wrong. Right? Wrong. Fighting each other to go out to get milk.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೌನಾಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
This ಗೋತಾರ.
ಈ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೀ ಏನೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕೋ ಕಾಣೆ.